Okay, people, who's ready to level this place up a notch? Anyways, my name is Diego Scummy Hedger, and I wrote a song called Dragon Slayer. And we have Autoblade Hammer on drums.
Woo! Yeah.
And Kai Kingdom on piano.
Woo!
So yeah, we'll start. Count me in, Otto. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm tired of tests, I'm tired of quests. Sometimes I just want to return home. I see too much blood, fate, and loss. Villages burn straight down to the ground. Dragonflies, glinting scales. Yeah, glinting scales. Yeah, I never succeeded, I always failed. I never succeeded, I always failed. But I won't give in. Yeah, but I won't give in. Yeah, the whole world's depending on me. The whole world's depending on me. So I want to accept failure no matter how hard it may be. But sometimes I just want to give up, let it all go, and danger flow. But we can't accept that and I wanna be a dragon slayer. I wanna be a dragon slayer. You stole my soul, weakened my heart. Oh yeah, fate depends on the state. But inside the cave, there's a dragon I'ma slay. I'll fight like an Argonaut, side to side to side. Yeah, I'll grab my sword, swing it behind my back. It's time to rock the world. Finally do the impossible. Finally do the impossible. Yeah, it's time. But some